Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is an interesting news item about Windows 10 and Android apps. So one of the things that was part of the puzzle is we had learned last week that Microsoft wanted to bring Android apps to its Microsoft Store online. And it didn't make sense at first, but now, if you guys remember when we started doing videos of Windows 10 way back in 2015, there was a time when we had learned that Android apps would run natively in Windows 10 through an emulator. And apparently they didn't put it in finally. It was actually stopped. The project was canceled because it worked so well that Microsoft didn't like the fact that maybe that would have a lot of competition with its own store and its own apps, and I thought that maybe it was not a good idea after all to do it. So they canceled the project, and we didn't hear anything about it again until now. So according to some interesting news from people that are pretty close, and usually when they say something's happening, it's probably going to happen, especially Zach Bowen from Windows Central. The Microsoft is at it again. They want in 2021 to bring us Android apps for Windows. That means we would be able to run Android applications if you have an Android phone, tablet. Well, you also would be able to run Android apps on Windows 10. It is kind of nice because when you think about it, one of the things that was there is the fact that your phone app, we can actually run Android apps, but your phone app isn't running the app. It's actually a streaming. So your phone is actually mirroring or streaming all of that to your Windows computer. So it isn't the same as having apps running in an emulator within Windows 10. Now, there's no news as to when this could happen, but it is kind of interesting to note. Is it really necessary that happens? That's another story. We're not sure if that is something that should be or not, but it apparently it would be something that could appear in 2021. So next year we might actually at some point have maybe with the famous UI redesign and user interface and all of that, maybe the next the second half of 2021 which should be technically a full version of Windows 10 feature update, might actually have an Android emulation. So it would be something like a Windows, and so we have the Windows subsystem for Linux right now, WSL. Well, that could be a Windows subsystem for Android, WSA. So we'll keep an eye on that. It could be interesting, and I don't know to what point it could be useful, but be curious if it actually does come out and that they don't cancel that again. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.